How to delete school on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility. Here in audience and visibility, go to profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here in about and education section, you can see here the school you save. So for my example, I delete this school, the Stockton, California. So okay, to delete this school, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side. And the pop-up below are shown. Now you can see here the delete school button. So you can tap the delete school and another pop-up delete item. Are you sure you want to delete this item? You'll have to do is tap the OK button to delete successfully this school on your Facebook profile. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.